Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got a fruit for thought, so let's get in it and check it out. Fruit for thought is always the funnest, cutest, best themed boxes. They have amazing themes. Each month they do a vegetable or a fruit or a combination. You'll see, it's easier to show than to tell. We've had like key lime pie in the past. I think, spoiler alert, I think this is carrot cake. So that kind of thing, those kinds of themes. And it's always done so well. It is sent to me free for review, but because we review it, I have a code and a link. I will put them down below for you. With Kathrin 10, you will get 10% off your subscription, 10% off in the online store. But when we open it, she has just the cutest paper with the fruits and the veg. This is what it looks like. And yes, this month is carrot cake, and I had a little note I just saw when I opened this that said that this month's, that November's, is now banana split. So that's fun. So the back of it will tell us a little bit about each of the products that we have. That's what the front looks like. So let's just dig in here and let me show you how absolutely cute this is. It can be just about anything that makes you think carrot cake. Home decor items, kitchen items, snacks, just anything. This is a carrot and dip to go. Healthy snacking while on the go. I will totally use this. I eat celery as much as I do carrots. I love celery and hummus, or cucumbers and hummus. I have a real hummus situation going on right now. It seems to be my favorite snack. So this is awesome. So when you take off the paper, that's what it looks like. That's the top, so you have, I bet this screws off, yep. So the top just comes off. You'll put your carrots, your celery, whatever you want to put, you'll put right down in there. You fit the lid back on it, give it just a little twist so it locks it in place, and then the top is where you'll put your hummus. Oh my gosh, that's just too cute. That is just, and it snapped back into place. Did you hear it? That is just too cute. What does this say? Healthy eating on the go. Great for office, school lunches, gym snacks, and travel. Berry carrot sticks and your favorite dip for healthy snacking wherever you are. With gourmet carrot and dip to go. Dishwasher safe, BPA free. Very cute. Right? Okay, next out I have Fall Sampler Pack. Autumn Solstice, Chestnut and Cardamom, Cinnamon and Vanilla Pumpkin. I don't know what these are yet. Let's find out. It's also very exciting. We have 4, and now we know they're in little tins. Oh my gosh, they're like little tea light candles. Oh my goodness, what is that, like a buttercream? That is banging. It is vanilla pumpkin. Nailed it. It smelled so good. So it came in this cute little box. Did I show you the little box? In case I didn't, it came in that cute little box. And then we have the 4 tins that I slid out. It had the 4 tins that I slid out. So one is vanilla pumpkin. What's this one? Oh, this one's spicier. I like that a lot too. What is that? Autumn Solstice. I like Autumn Solstice. Oh, that's good. That's cinnamon. I'd say vanilla. What do they say? Cinnamon and vanilla. Nailed it. And then we have one more. Oh, that smells foodier. I love that. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. What is it? Chestnut and cardamom. That smells so good. The paperwork says, sample at Collective Harmony Co.'s fall collection of fragrances with their mini tea light tins. These tea lights are 100% soy wax with an all-natural flat braided cotton wick, phthalate and paraben-free fragrance oils. And then they tell you the scents, which I told you. I fell in love with the packaging and knew I had to include these. These smell so good. And what a fun way to just have a scent for a couple days and move on. I love that because I will use a scent and then you use it until it's gone. And well, frankly, for me, that's not incredibly long, but I like the idea of this too. That is so cute. I'm gonna tuck them back in their little tube because that is a great place to keep them. They are 2 for 2 with me. All right, reaching in next, we have a big jar of something. What is this? Marmalade. Carrot cake marmalade. That looks really good. A carrot cake can often have walnuts in it, which I am allergic to. I mean, like, I know I say I can't use vitamin C on my face. I'm allergic to it. And I mean, if I did, nothing horrible would happen. Something horrible would happen if I ate walnuts. Ingredients: oranges, table sugar, caramel, and spices. Okay, so no walnuts. So Yum, right? Where's it made? Because it talks about cacao. Oh, it's made in Ireland. It's my people. It's the second video I've managed to make today where I've done my horrible Irish accent in it. So that sounds good. And this says, this tastes as you might expect it to, except pleasantly a lot more. Gran's Carrot Cake Marmalade is made with fresh grated carrot, oranges, cinnamon, and mixed spices. Its winter and festive flavors make it a constant bestseller. Wow your guests with canapes of goat cheese and carrot cake marmalade. Great with waffles and cream, over cereals, scones, and over any cream cheese, pancakes, and ice cream. Wow, they came up with a billion great ideas to do with this that I have never thought of doing with marmalade. I really like the idea of putting this over like oatmeal because it's a lighter one. It's got a little thinner consistency, and I like a little jam on oatmeal because, you know, if you don't put the jam on it, then it's just too good for you. Next out, we have a cute towel. I choked on a carrot. I bet a donut wouldn't have done this to me. Yep. This is going straight into my kitchen because that is hilarious. I love this weight, actually. This is that nice cotton, almost like sack weight that, you know, sack towels. They used to be like flour sacks. This is a little bit lighter than that, but I really love this for putting, like if I'm making bread or if I'm making something and I want to put it over to keep the warmth in, or if I put rolls in a basket. I like these kind of towels for those sort of things, and especially since the back is white, I try and keep them nice as best I can. That is super cute. I bet you're right. I bet a donut would not have done that to you. It says it is a humorous design on artistic reflections, 100% cotton kitchen towel. That is super cute. Next out, I have two, so I'll show you guys one. Carrot cake mini chocolate bars. Classic carrot cake experience with sweet frosting mixed with caramelized white chocolate. I mean, that sounds good and all, but it's got walnuts in it. It's death by chocolate. I think that's what they meant when they called it death by chocolate. My husband will love these, don't get me wrong. But yeah, not in the future for me. And last out, I believe, yep, we have noosh. Noosh? Say noosh to sugar. Noosh. How many times do you think I'm going to say it before I just show it to you guys? Would you say noosh or noosh with those little dots over the U? Or is it just a smiley face? Seems as though I have more questions than answers. It is 1 gram of sugar and 3 net carbs. That's really great, but $5 says it has walnuts in it. Let's read about it. Like I said, my husband will love it. Noosh Foods, I'm just going to settle on noosh, take their carrot spice cake and spice it up, making it soft and cakey. It's grain-free, keto, gluten-free, low carb, low sugar, and delicious. Let's see what it says. It has 8 grams of protein. That's fantastic. And I don't even have to get it all the way open before I can see that it says walnuts, which it would. Carrot cake has walnuts. And the whole rest of the world can eat it. And I'm always sad when I can't because I love a good cream cheese frosting and that's what's always on them. But alas, here we are. So that was our So Cute themed carrot cake fruit for thought for this month. We have this really awesome orange marmalade with carrots in it. That's going to be fantastic. These adorable, highly fragranced, wonderful candles. This noosh noosh carrot cake. These nice little candy bars. I bet a donut wouldn't have done you like that. That's the truth. And this cute snacking carrot. It's not a snacking carrot. It's a carrot to hold your snacks. They're just so stinking cute. They're just so cute. So again, I will put the link below. I'm not an affiliate. They just do send it over for review. I will put the link below with Kathrin 10. You will get 10% off your first box or in the shop. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I hope I will see you again really soon. Have a great evening, guys.